Will we be able to afford the cost of living in Hawaii, especially with housing and groceries? Big topic, consistent topic. It's a valid question. Hawaii is definitely one of those states that's probably amongst the highest cost of living in the country. I shop at multiple different stores. I do some couponing. My perspective is coming from California, where it's another pretty high cost of living state, and I would rather spend a little more money on my groceries than I do on property taxes, for example. Sales tax is a little bit lower. Property tax is the lowest in the country. To answer the question directly, are we going to be able to afford it? We didn't think we could when I first found out we were going to be moving to Hawaii. I thought either we were going to be really shrinking down or we were going to have to, cut a lot of other things in the budget to be able to afford to buy here in Paradise. It's very doable. It's going to require a little bit of discipline here and there with the other things like a car payment, vacation, things like that. Maybe we're compressing a little bit of that to make it make sense to buy here and watch the appreciation and the equity build and the wealth build exceed what we could do if we were to save by renting. Like anything, you can either have the mindset of no way to afford it, just gonna rent, or just gonna live in base housing, or how can I, rather than no way I can. So there's always ways. Definitely reach out to us. It's an individual case by case answer. We want to know more about what the plan is.
We've got a questionnaire for you in the description below. Let us know what your questions are. Somebody, Aiden, myself, Kenny, Derek, somebody from Core Team Hawaii is going to get on and answer these questions. We'll make this a series. You can ask up to one question a day. Our team will put our heads together to get that question answered. But if you're like, hey, one question is not going to cut it, you can't put a one question on a day quota on me, go to the website, fill out the contact form. That's when we can get one-on-one with you, get a little bit more explicit and nuanced with your questions that you may have. But if you're ready to participate in these one questions a day, description box below.